Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am here with a very brand new launch and I'm so excited to show you guys what it is. It is a launch from one of my favorite brand, and without any further delay, let's reveal the product. So here we have the newly launched Sugar Cosmetics I Let You Sew eyeliners. These are colored eyeliners and wow, the shades are so beautiful. These are available in 6 vibrant shades and these shades are really very pretty. We'll show you the swatches soon, and yeah, here it's the packaging in this type of packaging, and here we go opening the product, and this is the liner. It's really very pretty. I will show you the colors, and yeah, I love the packaging too. It has a very thin brush applicator. You can see it has this type of applicator and it's really convenient to use. It glides on easily on the eye, and I really like this type of applicator. It's really very easy to use this kind of applicator, and for winged eyeliner this is a perfect one. Now let's move ahead to the swatches of this beautiful liners. Finish. They're totally non-sticky and also very long lasting. Here is the tutorial for the look I'm wearing today. The link is given in my description box to buy all these liners, and I hope you will enjoy them, and if you get them, please comment to me that you have bought it and used it. And also if there's any more queries, you can definitely ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it. Bye bye.